Welcome again, guys. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how you're gonna link your bank account so you can receive all the payments that are made through a card, credit or debit card. So we're gonna go down, click on bank, and depending in which country your restaurant is in, any other country that's not in the US, then you're going to click this option. So in this case, we're going to select bank within USA. Okay, so just remember that if your country is not, you cannot see it on this list, then you can link your account on the other option. Okay, so we're just going to enter the type of entity, which is individual, company, or not-profit organization. Now, in this case, it's going to be individual. You're going to enter your phone number so I can verify your account, and your email address so you can receive important updates. And that's it. You're just going to click next. You're just going to enter your bank account, and that's how you're going to receive all the payments that are made with a card for your restaurant. And that's it, guys. As easy as that. Keep watching our tutorials and subscribe to our channel.